I want to take a quick minute here and tell people my experience, why I feel like the raise your hand works so well. Aside from the sales side, right? That's obviously not the point of it. For me, it does two things. One is it makes that, it's kind of like an icebreaker, right? Cold calling sucks. If you have to cold call someone on a sales pitch,
terrible.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Getting that raise your hand, it's that icebreaker. It's the easiest icebreaker in sales you will ever come across.
Because there's no agenda.
No question asked.
Yeah.
There's no pressure. There's no commitment. It is literally just, hey, I'm here for you. I'm a resource. The other thing that it does, in my experience, is entrepreneurship, business ownership, it's lonely. We all know it. It sucks being at the top.
Yeah.
People need somebody to talk to. They want somebody to talk to. Even if it has nothing to do with GPS trackers, you get people that call you like, hey, did you know about such and such industry? Or what do you think about this? Or what? It just gives people somebody to talk to. It makes that connection that you can leverage down the road. Be like, hey, we're buddies now.
Yeah, I bet you've gotten a call like this, Adam, and I'm going to make up the name of a conference. But let's say it's the Outdoor Sports World Conference. And now all of a sudden they start calling you like, Adam, are you guys going to attend Outdoor Sports World in Austin this year? I don't know. I was thinking about it. Me too. Like, it wasn't that great of a show last year. I don't know if you go, I'll go. And like you said, you've got a buddy that's going to collaborate with you on stuff.
Take it one step past that, and I'll tell you a real life experience of something I did last month.
Yeah.
So I started to raise my hand, back midwinter, whatever. Got talking to people, hit up some people that ran an expo that I had attended, followed up with them afterward, told them how great it was, let them know, hey, you guys have any questions, all that stuff. Mm-hmm. They called me back and asked me to go be on their TV show. They needed, so they were filming, it's a TV show called Trail Hero Expeditions. We filmed it back in May. It'll air in October. But they needed something on the TV show that said, hey, we've got 12 contestants that we're sending out to the middle of nowhere on these trails. We need to make sure that, one, that they're not lost. Two, if they get lost, we can find them. And three, their families want to know they made it back to camp. Could you do something like that for us? I said, absolutely, I can do that. Here's what I can do for you. That came from me raising my hand and saying, hey, if you guys have any questions about how GPS trackers can benefit you, can work with the industry, if you have questions about using them or not using them, hit me up. And they did. So I went out last month, we left out of Mesquite, 4 days, 540 miles, 3 different states. All that came off a raise my hand concept.
And you paid, how much did they charge you for that, Adam?
All I had to do was donate devices to the contestants.
And get yourself there.
It cost me next to nothing.
Next to nothing.
Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.